Hello and welcome to this webcast. In many organizations, sales happens through a third-party contractors. These contractors or brokers registered with the organization. These contractors or broker have a contract with these organizations about a commission. Whenever sales happen, they claim certain amount of a commission on it. These commissions can be based on the percentage of an amount or per item, and then there is possibility that commissions start to happen after the certain quantity or amount of a sale. For a current demonstration, I'm going to show you how we can register this broker contract into this D365 for Finance and Operations. And whenever sales happens through these contractors or brokers, how we can claim the commission. Whenever the sales happens through these brokers, how we can view the broker commission claim and how we register the claim and how we approve or reject a certain amount in a claim, and whenever we approve the commission, how invoice is posted into this D5 for Finance and Operations. Let's go towards a demonstration. So for current demonstration, I'm going to use a UMSF legal entity, and at the time of recording, I am using 10.0.39 version of D365 for Finance and Operations. And in accounts receivable, we have an option. There is a section for broker and royalties. So I'm going to create a broker contract, right? And here I am going to create a new one. So whenever we go to create a new contract, broker contract, it opens into a planning phase. So if I go to see different statuses of a contract: planning, approve, cancel, and close. So whenever we confirm the contract, we have to change it from planning to approved. There is no workflow here, so we have to manually plan and then approve. So I am going to select a planning, and then I am putting today's 6/25/2024 02 contract number. Any description you can add, any description like. Now I have to provide the vendor who is going as our broker in this contract. So we have to define the broker as a vendor. So basically, broker is a person who is going to sell or help us to sell products. So I select the 1003 as a broker, and I have option that this contract will be active between a specific date or date range. So I select the 1st June to 31st July, right? Now they ask me, the system has to post the vendor claim, or whenever the broker has a claim against that contract, so those claims can be posted against this charges code. So currently I'm selecting BR001, and now I have an option that either I have to pay him on pieces, per piece, percentage on amount, or a fixed amount. So for current demonstration, I'm selecting a pieces, and I am saying that it claims $2 per items, per piece, whatever he sells. So now I'm going to save it, and if I go on a line level, so I have an option that whatever products in my system, I have to allow the broker to sell it and claim against it, or I claim for all items, or I have to give him option for a group. Group means a certain group of items he can sell, or a table. So I'm going for a table level, and here is the option for item. So I select the 001 item, right? And now it asks me about the party code again, that we have allowed him to create a broker contract against a specific customer, all customers, or a group. So I'm going against a table, so I have to give him an option against a specific customer. So I give him option for US 007, right? Again, charges code coming from there. And now I again break type. Break type means that on a specific quantity its claim started, commission started. For example, I have a contract for 100 items, more than 100 items. If a broker help me to sell more than 100 items, so after 100 commission will be created. He can claim a commission. So for current example, I am putting it as 0, then it gives me an option for unit, and then pieces, percentage or fixed. I'm already decided that I have to sell, give him option for a claim, give him option for a selling on each piece of $20. Then I have an option for a charges, because I'm already using a USMF legal entity, so I give him a USD. Sales tax, if any sales tax applicable, I can select it. For current demonstration, I'm not using that. So after that, whenever I saved it, I claim into approved, right? So now this contract is approved. So now I'm going to create a new sale order, and I am going to create a new sale order against the same customer and against the same item. So I am going to create a sale order for a US 001, and then warehouse 11. Click on OK. For header, I have to exclude this sale order because it's a demonstration purpose. So I remove exclude from a credit management, otherwise it goes automatically into a credit management. And here I put 0001 item, and I am selecting the 20. So if I go into sales line, here is the option for view a broker commission. So you can see for a 20 quantity, and for each quantity vendor can claim for a $2 for his commission. So this commission can be registered when we are going to invoice this sale order. So I'm going to first of all, I am going to confirm this sale order. Then I am going to post the packing slip. I am selecting all, and then I am going to invoice against a packing slip. Click OK. Right, packing slip is posted. Right, so if I go to check the voucher against the invoice, if I click on a voucher, you can see here is the 40 broker fee against this, the $40 as a broker fee he can claim. Accounts payable, here is the option for a broker claim. So here in this inquiry, I have an option for open for all or broker for 003. You can see he have the qualifier for $40, right? And when I'm going to post it, claim or approve it, there will be a two entries, one for vendor invoice and second entry against the expense journal, that $40 posted in this against these charges. Option that whatever he claim, I can approve less than that. For example, for a certain reason, for example, if my sale is lost or sales returns comes, so I can give him less commission. For this, I have to click on edit, and from here I am approving only 30. When I saved it and then I am going to approve it. It gives me two entries. One entry is vendor invoice and then expense journal. So first of all, I'm going to vendor invoice. I duplicate this, then I go invoice, and here is open vendor invoices. I search this invoice, so I have this invoice, and here it mentioned that $30 is posted, is invoice to a vendor, against is a vendor claim. And if I go again, you can see there is also posted a expense journal. You can see here they posted against 30 credit against this ledger account to this ledger account. It's settled as an expense, right? So now what happened to remaining 10 quantity? So now we have a 10 quantity. Either we have to approve it again and create a new invoice, or closed or reject it. So I'm going to reject this $10. For this I have option, select the line and click on a closed. It asks me a reason. So what is the reason why I rejected it? And again, here is a reason with respect to two things: account where this $10 is posted. So I am going again into account payable and broker and royalties, and here is a differential reasons. So here I'm again using the same account, and I'm creating a new rejected. Render return, and again I am posting the account, same account. I saved it, I back to my vendor claim, cancel, close, and now I have a reason, rejected. When I click on OK, you can see the expense journal 0067 is created. And if I go to and filter here, you can see $10 is posted against this accounts. So this is a quick demonstration where I show you how it is easy in a system to record a contract. It's very easy to create a vendor claim through an inquiry, and we have approve and reject the specific amount and post into a different ledger accounts. Thank you for watching. See you in another video.